Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a great day as always. If you're new to the channel, I am Travis, aka the Brass Tack, and I'm a professional automotive detailer, and I have over 15 years of experience, and I am here to help educate you on your car cleaning journey. Today we're going to be talking about the top of your dash. Okay, it tends to get super dusty, super dirty. Pretty much everything tends to fly in your car and just rest on top of your dash. So I'm going to show you how to clean that, guys. It's quick and easy. It's not hard at all. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you the tools and products that you're going to need to do the job. So I've already got them set out here and ready to go for you. The first thing you're going to need is your interior cleaner of choice. Mine, as you've seen in my previous videos, is the Nonsense Invincible Cleaner from Chemical Guys. Normally comes in a bottle that looks like this, but as you all know, I buy things in bulk, so I buy it by the gallon and dilute it myself. So this is my bottle. The next thing you're going to need is a couple of interior detail brushes. This one is just a typical interior detail brush. It's a little bit bigger one than I normally use, but I use this one along with my shop vac. This is my first step. I use this one with my shop vac, and basically I have this in one hand and I have the shop vac hose in the other hand, and what I do is I kick up all of the loose dirt and debris first, okay, and it gets sucked up with the shop vac all the way across the dash. All right, all of your loose dirt is then gone, and all that's left is the stuff that's stuck on there, and to shine it up with some cleaner. So that's when you go ahead and spray it with your cleaner. And this brush here, this is another interior brush. It's basically the same type of material as this here, just in a lot bigger surface area, so you can cover more surface area at a time and make the job go quicker. So I got this brush obviously from Chemical Guys, and it saves me so much time just because it covers so much more surface area. So after the tools, basically all you need now is 2 microfiber rags to wipe things down when you're done scrubbing, and obviously the shop vac, which I already have over there. So that's pretty much all you need. It's pretty quick and easy and simple. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up and we'll continue. All right, guys, we are at the dash, and as you can see, this dash is pretty dusty and dirty. This is our personal Tahoe, and I basically have deliberately let it get dirty so I can show you guys a bunch of videos on how to clean things. So this one's pretty dusty. I can't wait to get it cleaned up. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with our smaller detail brush and the shop vac to get all of the loose dirt and dust sucked up, and then we'll wipe her down. All right, guys, we are set up and ready to go. Like I said, the first thing we're gonna do is get going with the shop vac and smaller detail brush. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, guys, is do a half and half. So I'm gonna do this half of the dash first and get it all done, and then I'll show you the difference between the two sides. You might already be able to see the difference in just getting the dust off of this side. And then after I show you the difference, we'll go ahead and do the other side. But for now, we'll go ahead and get our cleaner. Just spray it on. You don't have to be super liberal with this. And sometimes you can get away with, depending on how dirty it is, not even using a brush. But I'm gonna go ahead and use it just so I know I got everything. Once you get it brushed down, you just take your rag and wipe the excess off. Like I said, you don't have to apply the product super liberally just because it would be that much more product you'd have to suck off of here. And a little bit goes a long way up here on the dash, because it's mainly just dusty. I mean, just sucking the dust off helps tremendously. It's more loose dirt and dust up here than anything. Get in, make sure you get all your little vents wiped out. There's little side vents over here. And while I'm doing the dash, I usually wipe down the A-pillar. That's not part of today's video, so I'll save that for another day. I'm just showing you the dash for now. Okay, so this side of the dash is done. And you can probably see, I can see a line right here where that side is dusty and dirty. Look at all that. And look at this side. Nice and fresh, guys. Look at that. Sorry, that camera angle is super weird because I've got a big long stick on this thing. But yeah, that is nice and that is not. So let's do the other side. Alright guys, as you can see, this side is clean. All done. Looks like some kind of scuff here. I tried cleaning that, but I can't. It's a scuff, it's not dirt. It looks good, guys. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Really, for me, the key is to get all the loose dust and dirt sucked off of here before you start. That seems to be the key for me, just because when you spray some cleaner on top of all that dirt and you're trying to wipe, you're just wiping all that dirt around and it's really not going anywhere. It just keeps smearing all over the place. So the key is to get all that loose dirt and dust sucked off of here before you get started, and then that prepares a nice surface for the actual cleaning process. And that really is the key. It saves me a whole lot of time, and well, time for me is everything. So there you have it. That is the dash. If you guys learned something today, don't forget to go down and give this bad boy a big thumbs up. While you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my content. I'm going to keep bringing you guys cool stuff and keep teaching you guys how to clean stuff quickly and efficiently and making it look good like this. So anyways, thanks again guys. Take care and have a great night.